Morning.
Good morning. Welcome to County Court Law number 5. Today is August 29th, 2022. What I'm going to do is, first of all, ask you all to mute yourselves until I call on you. I will call on the attorneys that are present first, so that they don't have to wait for the call. So give me a moment. Let's see. First off, Valerie Headland, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What is the case number that you're dealing with?
680924 for Alejandro Reyes.
680.
Hello.
Pardon me?
680924.
Page
Okay.
page 4, Judge.
Six, 8, 0. Somebody needs to be muted, Linda.
I'm looking for
I
them.
asked that people mute themselves, but somebody's not listening. 680-924, Alejandro Reyes. Mr. Reyes, are you present?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Alejandro Reyes, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Ms. Headland, are you going to confer on this?
Yes, if I could, please.
You are number 1 to confer this morning. Do you have any other case?
No, this is it.
Very good.
Thank you.
Let's see.
Oh, Your Honor, may Alejandro be released since I'm just conferring and it's a PTC?
Mr. Reyes, your attorney has requested that we go ahead and release you so you can go to work or whatever you need to do. Stay in touch with her.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Christopher Castro.
Yes, Judge, I'm here on Christopher Culp. He's on page 1 of the docket, Judge.
All right.
63917.
Say again.
638917.
638
917.
917. Christopher Culp, C-U-L-P. Mr. Culp, are you present? Mr. Culp, are you present?
Judge, I haven't had contact with him lately. I did text over the Zoom link and information this morning. And
Well, for right now, he's a failure to appear, Mr. Castro. Have him check in with us and we'll make sure that there's not a warrant issued. Otherwise, there will be. Do you wish to confer? What do you want to do?
I'd like to confer, Judge.
Very good. You're number 2 to confer. All right. Let's see. Linda Corley.
Morning, Judge. I'm
Good
here
morning,
on
Linda. How are you?
Alexander Barnes. I'm not sure what page, Judge, I apologize, but case number is 684-009. Has two cases.
684-009. That's
Page
on
5.
page 5.
Yes. And I do need to confer, and if my client is present, can he be excused?
All right, that's a no file at this time. Do you wish to just get a 30-day reset, or are you going to confer?
Judge, I'll go ahead and if I could go ahead and get a 30-day reset now, and then I'll just go ahead and confer and then leave from there. That's okay.
Now you do know that he's got a felony pending, right?
I do, Judge. I do, but there are some issues I wanted to talk to the prosecutor about.
On this felony pending, it's unindicted. So let's give you, Linda, 45 or 60.
Let's do 60.
All right, reset 60 days, Linda,
Okay.
Okay.
and I will show you as conferring.
All right, and may my client be excused?
Yes,
That would be October 25th.
Okay, thank you.
you're
Okay,
welcome.
thank you,
Stay in
Judge.
touch with your lawyer.
Yes, sir.
All right. Andrea Matos.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good
I'm
morning.
here
Good to see
on
you.
Nigel Nelson on behalf of Gary Barton. This is page 6 of the docket, and the case number is 685712. Again, it's
Thank you.
page 6.
Page 6. 665712.
685712. Yes, Your Honor.
685712. And you're here for,
Gary Barton, and Mr.
Gary
Nelson
Barton.
is present.
and he was here for somebody else. So, all right. You're the third string, Andrea.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your hair looks like, what is it, from Egypt? The look. The Queen of the Nile, what was her name?
Oh,
Cleopatra, Judge. Cleopatra.
Yeah. What is your,
thank you,
what
Kenny.
is, Nigel Nelson, are you here, sir?
He is present.
Cleopatra.
Unmute.
Cleopatra.
He has to unmute himself, Your Honor.
He is here?
Yeah, I see him. I think he's trying to unmute himself,
Okay,
but I
well,
can't hear
that's
him.
good. I'll take your word for it.
Thank you.
All right, you gonna confer?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
You are listed next to confer about number 4, something like that.
Thank
Good to see
you.
you. Attorney Renee Munoz.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning.
I have Yisbel Sanchez on page number 3, 666641. So that's 4 sixes and then
All
4
those
1.
sixes, that's evil.
Well, I think 3 sixes, Judge. 4, I think is good.
All right, 666. That's 4 sixes. 666641.
Yes, Judge. She is present, Your Honor, on today's Zoom.
Ms. Sanchez,
Yes, Your Honor. I'm right here, sir.
there you are. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, Renee, you're going to confer
Yes, Judge. If I could speak with Kenny, I appreciate it.
already. And you want your client to stick around? Or you're going to excuse her?
Actually, Judge, if she could be excused, I think she's to get to work.
All right, Ms. Sanchez, go ahead and continue working. Your attorney will be working for you. Stay in communication with him.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. All right, Isidro Montoya.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm well, but you're not the lawyer. The lawyer is Isidro Montoya.
That's
Junior.
me, Judge. Yes, Your Honor.
Isn't the lawyer Isidro Montoya Jr.?
Yes, sir.
Well,
Yes,
you're
sir.
not he.
Yes, sir.
All right. What you got?
I got Amanda Ramirez, Judge, 667326.
667.
326.
There it is. Amanda Ramirez, are you present?
Your Honor, I've not had any contact with her since I got appointed. So I have not been in contact with her whatsoever. And I don't think she's been in contact with my office either.
All right, it's a failure to appear at this time. I expect you to make every effort to find her or communicate with her before we issue a warrant, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. May I be excused, Judge?
Yes, sir, you're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's see, Patrick Valentine.
Good morning, Judge.
Good
I have,
morning.
2 customers for you this morning.
All right,
The first one is case number 685-532, and that's Deepak.
685.
Yes, 685-532.
All right, that's on page 5. 685-532, that is Kunavapu. Deepak Kunavapu.
And he is
And
present.
this is Gary Hale, presumably you're with him.
Yes, that's correct. And I'd like to confer on that one, please.
All right, has he answered?
Deepak, can you unmute and make yourself known to the court, please?
Is he present? Do you see him?
I see his name on there. Yes.
All right. If he's there, that's sufficient that you identify him for me.
Let's see.
And you are conferring.
Please, and I have one more.
Right, you have a
docket.
second one?
Second one is Jorge Aguilar, and it's 676-389.
676. It's on page 3. 676-389. Jorge Aguilar. Mr. Aguilar, where are you?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
There you are. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
And this is Jay Norton, but you're here for him, Mr. Valentine. Is that correct?
That's correct, Judge.
And you want to confer on this one, I presume?
Yes, please.
Very good. Thank you, sir. Fernando Ramos.
Morning, Judge. I'm sorry.
Good
I have
morning.
Alfonso Ramirez on page 5, 5 down, 683-912. Back in July, I filed a motion for an immigration attorney, but I think it's probably easier to go to the public defenders. An attorney by the name of Sarah May is the person that I've been dealing with before, Judge. If we could have some time for him to consult with the immigration attorney from public defenders. According to her, all Linda has to do is reach out to her and the appropriate parties will be appointed.
All right, well, you want to discuss that with the state and get it squared away?
I don't think the state has anything to do with it, Judge. It's Linda who has to reach out to the public defenders and ask them to assign someone to his case.
Linda is my court coordinator. She
Yes,
doesn't
sir.
she doesn't go out and look for defendants.
Well, no, according to Ms. May, the coordinator has to reach out to the public defender's office. That's my understanding, to appoint an immigration attorney.
Okay, I got you. I hear you.
Yes, sir.
All right, Linda,
Yes, sir.
let's get an immigration attorney for this gentleman.
Sure.
For Cristobal Ramirez. Is Cristobal Ramirez present?
He's here, Judge. I don't see him right now, but I saw his name earlier.
All right, well, I will take your word. There he is. I see
Yes, sir.
Alfonso Ramirez. Very good. Señor Ramírez, ¿está libre? Puede regresar al trabajo donde sea. Okay, Fernando, we're going to take care of that. Let's give you 30-day reset to get you your immigration lawyer.
Very good, Judge. Thank you. I appreciate it. May I be excused and may Mr. Ramirez be excused?
Yes, sir. You're both excused.
Thank you,
September
Judge.
26th, Mr. Ramos.
I'm sorry, say it again, please.
September 26th.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. Alex Scharf.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here covering Javier Cervera. He is present under Javier's iPhone. And the case number is 679982. And I'd like to confer, please.
679982.
Yes, sir.
Cervera, Javier Cervera.
Yes,
Sean
sir. I'm
Brown.
present.
You ain't Sean
Yes.
Brown. You're here for Sean?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
Alex. I show you conferring then.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Melanie Lita.
Good morning, Judge. I am
Good
here
morning.
it's on the second page for Esmeralda Garcia, cause number 660-782 and 783. And she is present. And I need
Esmeralda
to confer on this
Garcia.
case. Correct.
Where's-
She's on the second
where's-
page.
I know, I've got it listed.
Esmeralda,
And-
can you unmute yourself and say hello? I see her. She's figuring out the unmuting.
Where is she at? Wave your
She's trying
hands
to
or
figure out
something.
the unmuting. Yeah.
Okay. She can just wave her arms or something. All right, there you are. There you are. Very good. Okay, I show you as conferring then, is that correct?
Yes, I need to confer with the state, and may my client be excused me while we confer.
Ms. Ramirez, pardon me, Esmeralda Garcia, you are excused at this time at the request of Ms. Lita. Stay in communication with her. All
Thank
right,
you, Judge.
you're welcome, ma'am. Raymond Vale Jr.
Morning, Judge. Good to see
Good
you.
morning.
I have Lorena Ramos, case number 606-538. I'm not
Say
sure what
again?
it is on the docket.
What's the number?
606-538.
First
Okay,
one. First one, Judge, on the docket.
I'm sorry, okay. Number one, Raymond Vale, Lorena Ramos. Is she present?
She should be present in Zoom, Judge.
I know she should be. I agree with you. Is she? Lorena Ramos.
I'm looking.
Do you see her?
I don't see her.
Okay, for right now, she is a failure to appear. Are you going to confer?
Well, Judge, I mean, if she does appear, this case was referred to PTD. The problem is that they contacted the complainant. Restitution is $2,300, and so they won't accept her into the program until we pay the $2,300 up front. So that's where we're having some issues. So assuming she shows up, I'd like to see if you can give us a little bit more time to get the money put together.
All right, for right now, she is a failure to appear. We will wait and see if she appeared. Make sure she reports to us.
Yes, sir.
It's been reset 17 times, so we need to get along.
I know.
All right. Rolando Garcia, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Here on Erica Gonzalez, cause number 698830.
698. Oh, the last one. All right. And she's in jail, is she?
No, she's out on bond, John. She should be present.
Whoa, 698-830 now. Suzanne Kramer was appointed on it. Are you hired?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
Wait,
That's Erica Gonzalez, right?
no,
That one is.
that's not the right case number, Mr. Garcia.
Okay, I'm sorry. That's the one that my secretary just sent me.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
689-830 is Tiffany Martinez.
It's 698830.
We haven't gotten to 698s yet.
It's not on the docket.
Do you see an Erica Gonzalez on the docket?
I don't. There's 698-830, you said,
Yes, Your Honor.
Linda?
It's 678-830, page 4.
Ah,
Sorry about the confusion, Judge. Like I said, I'm
the old fool, the old judge joke, huh?
I asked for Rosie just sent me the case number. Apparently she.
There it is, 678-830. Erica Gonzalez. And there you go. Now we got it. Rolando Garcia. Is she present? Erica
Yes, Your Honor. Good
Gonzalez.
morning. I'm
Good morning,
present.
Ms. Gonzalez.
Good morning.
Okay, what are you doing on this one? Rolly going to confer?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Very good. I am showing you as conferring.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Let's see. Attorneys. I don't see any more hands.
Daniel Rodriguez, John, Judge.
Daniel Rodriguez.
Correct, Your Honor. I'm here. I'm here on a pretrial case, Michael Robbins. Case number 654597.
654597. And that is Michael Robbins. Is Mr. Robbins present?
Yes, sir.
He's
Robbins.
listed under Will R.
There
He
you
just
are.
raised his hand. Your Honor, this is the last time I was present in court on this. The prosecutors, your normal prosecutors, aren't assigned to this case. It's going to go through public integrity. And I don't know if there's any ADAs here from public integrity to confer on this case.
We'll have to check into it. I'll show you conferring and we'll try to find out what's going on there.
Okay.
Mr. Vance,
Yes, sir.
do you know anything about this case we're talking about?
No, I don't, but let me, I know this is a public integrity case, but let me, what was that cause?
It's 654597. Michael Robbins. All right, let's see. I saw Valerie
Yeah,
Hedlund.
it's a 196 assigned, so it is.
All right, so you're not gonna be able to confer on this?
No, Judge, but I'll contact somebody from that department to try to.
All right, then stick around, Mr. Rodriguez. John Green.
Morning, Judge. I'm here for Demarius Holmes. We had a motion for discovery and inspection. I believe the state's opposing, but if I have the chance to confer with Mr. Ernst, I'm sure we can work something out.
How about a case number? It'd be real nice.
Yes, Judge, it's 661126.
Judge, this is an add-on from, I believe it was Thursday or Friday. Miss Taylor Wood had spoken to you guys on Zoom about this discovery, motion for the discovery. And you asked to recall it for today.
So John Green, who you're representing?
Demarius Holmes, Judge.
He's with Andrew Delgueto's office, Judge.
Holmes, Holmes.
That's correct, Judge.
All righty. Then we'll show you conferring for right now and see when we get back to you.
Okay, I appreciate it, Judge.
You're welcome. Alex Sharp, you back?
Yes, Judge, I am back. On Mr. Cervera's case.
Case number.
Mr. Delco, and apparently
679982.
Say again.
679982, Judge, page 4.
All righty, what you got on Mr. Cervera?
All right, Judge. So in talking to Mr. Delco, apparently he can't he can't deal with us on cases right now because he's one of our civil clients. And so he's reaching out to try to get another ADA to confer with us.
Alex, we can confer with Kyle.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Go back to the breakout room that you were assigned to, and I will let Kyle know to confer with you.
All right, thank you.
Mhm.
Ray Vale,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you wanted to report back or something?
My client should be zooming in right now. She was having some issues, Judge, so she
Give
should
me
be
a
on.
case number. Give me a case number, Ray.
The
Yes,
very
sir.
first
It was
one
case
on
number
page 1.
606538.
Okay. And that is Lorena Ramos. Are you present now? Lorena
I just
Ramos.
talked to her. She was trying to get onto the Zoom.
Okay. There's a gentleman that's under Samsung SMS
I
908U. You're wearing a cap. You're considered to be in the courtroom. You need to take your cap off, please. Thank you. All right. No other attorney. No attorneys, then I'm going to call the docket. The regular docket with those that don't have attorneys at this moment or that haven't shown up. 627364 State versus Dario Rodriguez. And the attorney is Monica Guerrero.
It's gonna be Joseph Stateson, and he's gonna be late, Judge.
All right, but at least he's checked with us. And Dario Rodriguez listed as a fugitive, which apparently he continues to be out of this court even. 629138 State versus Jolene Vasquez, attorney Anthony Cantrell.
Here.
You're not Jolene Vasquez, you're Monster.
Sorry, I can't change it, but I'm Jolene Vasquez.
Okay, thank you for showing up on time. Have you made contact with Anthony Cantrell?
Yes, this morning.
And what does he say? I mean, he's not here right now. Where is he?
He's in court with another person.
Okay, Linda, have you heard from him at all?
No, sir.
Then show him no response. 629284 State versus Abdil Baltazar Coronado. Attorney is Richard Garcia Jr. Have you heard from him?
No, sir.
No response. He's on the list. And Baltazar Coronado? Failure to appear. 632336 State versus Alex Longoria. Attorney Sean Sheffield.
Present, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Longoria.
Good morning, sir.
Have you heard from Sean Sheffield?
No, sir, I haven't heard from him.
Linda?
No, sir.
No response. Put him on the list. 634454 State versus Albert Hopkins. Attorney Alberto Rodriguez. The G-Man.
Mr. Rodriguez, I did get an email from him. His wife is in the hospital, sir.
Oh, okay. Just give him a 30-day reset.
Okay.
Albert Hopkins. Albert Hopkins is a failure to appear at this time. We might just go ahead and give him reset anyway. 641240 State versus April Carter. Attorney David Christian.
Judge, that one's gonna be reset, felony pending.
All right. 648158 State versus Mark Cordero. Attorney Ross Rodriguez.
I'm here, Judge.
Mr. Cordero, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. I haven't gotten a hold of Mr. Rodriguez this morning.
All right. Have you heard from him, Linda?
No, sir, I haven't.
No response then from the attorney. Stick around, sir. We'll have to wait to see if he comes in after a while.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 649-564, State versus Lando Shepherd. And the attorney is Larry Meadows. Larry Meadows, attorney. No response. Have you heard from him, Linda?
Yes, he's running late, Judge.
All right. And Lando Shepherd, failure to appear. 651-701, State versus Blake Thies, attorney Paul Acevedo. Paul Acevedo,
Here, Your Honor.
you're Paul Acevedo?
No, sir. That's my lawyer.
You're okay, you're Blake Thies?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Have you heard from Mr. Acevedo?
He texted me yesterday and said that we had a Zoom this morning. I'm guessing he's in another court. I can try to call him right now.
Linda, have you heard from him?
No, sir, I haven't.
All right, no response from the gentleman. We'll have to wait for him to show up. 656-833, State versus Darius Minch or Minnick.
Minnick, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, President.
Patricia Vieira is your attorney?
Yes, sir, I believe so.
Have you made contact with her?
No.
She's gonna be late, Judge.
All right,
No.
very good.
Darius Minnick is here.
I got you marked, Mr. Minnick. I have you marked as
The
present.
attorney's gonna be late. I apologize.
That's fine. We've got you marked as present.
Thank you, sir.
659-646, State versus Robert Falcon, attorney Michael White.
President, Your
Michael
Honor, currently waiting on Michael White.
All right, sir. And Linda, have you heard from Michael White?
No, sir, I haven't.
Judge Michael White was in the courtroom this morning and he wrote down the meeting ID and the passcode for the Zoom link. So I'm assuming he was going to try and log in.
All right. 660-927, State versus Senen Ortiz, attorney Cecil Bain.
Here, Judge.
Senen Ortiz.
Yeah, I'm here.
There you are. Your screen says Joseph.
Yeah, that's my middle name I go by.
You don't go by Senen?
Sometimes with the family I do, but around at work
All
I
right.
go by Joseph.
Have you heard from Cecil Bain?
I talked to him a couple of days and he told me to get on Zoom, but I haven't talked to him since.
Linda, you heard from him?
Yes, he will be running late.
All right, so he will be here. He knows you're here, sir. 662-490, State versus Reese Alfaro, attorney Monica Kirala.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm present.
Reese Alfaro, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. How you doing?
Monica Kirala. Have you heard from her, Linda?
No, Judge, I haven't.
No response then. On the list. Going on to page 3. Six 664-845, State versus Jennifer Martz, M-A-R-T-Z, attorney Bertram Wood III. Jennifer Martz, absent, failure to appear. Bo Wood,
He
you
will
heard from
be
him?
late. Yes, we'll be late.
All right. 667-254, State versus Ruben Pina, attorney Patricia Vieira. Heard from Patricia Vieira?
Yes, she will be late, Judge.
All right. And Ruben Pina, failure to appear. 671-713, State versus Matthew Tompkins Seal, attorney Mark Medley.
I received a call from Mr. Medley this morning to set it for a plea.
All righty. And how about his client?
I believe he already spoke to his client and told him to be here for Wednesday, the 31st for a plea.
All right,
Judge Longoria,
pardon me?
someone from the conviction integrity unit said they'll be logging on shortly. I'm not sure what that's about, but he has to run to the 187.
Yeah, Vance got a hold of him for a defendant that's set for a public integrity thing, or anyway, thank you.
You're
674-353, State versus Elisa Hernandez, attorney Monica Guerrero. Elisa Hernandez. Elisa Hernandez is a failure to appear. Monica Guerrero,
It's gonna be Joseph Stateson and he's gonna be late, Judge.
okay. Six, 153, State versus Juan Carlos Puente Barbosa. The attorney, Jerry Valdez.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Valdez.
Judge, I received a text from Mr. Barbosa, Puente Barbosa last night. He came down with COVID. He tested positive Saturday. So we can get about a 10-day reset on him.
Let's give you 2 weeks.
Thank you, Judge.
September the 19th.
Okay.
Okay. 677-275, a no file. Adam Garcia, the attorney is Tony Hernandez. Mr. Garcia is listed as a fugitive, but this is a no file. Tony Hernandez, have you heard from him?
No, sir, I haven't.
No response from Mr. Hernandez. One on the page 4. 680-422, State versus Raymond Taylor, attorney Ivan Barrera.
Actually, it's gonna be Simon Rawls and he's going to be starting a trial, so I reset that.
All right. And what about his client, Mr. Taylor?
I'm more than sure that they've already told them.
All righty. Then we'll reset that 30 days.
Yes.
681-490, State versus Sharmar Johnson, the attorney, Simon Rawls.
Same with that
said-
one, Judge.
Trial,
Yes.
681-604, State versus Frederick Watkins, attorney, Simon Rawls.
Same with that one.
681-705, State versus Martin Ramirez, George Sherman II. This is a no file.
That one's gonna be reset.
681-763, State versus Wesley Harvey, attorney, David Christian.
Reset, no file, Judge.
681-964, State versus Stephen Elwell, attorney, Scott Engelke. Stephen
Yes,
Stephen
Judge.
Elwell,
Yes, sir. I'm here.
where are you? There you are. Are you in communication with Scott Engelke?
Yes, he said he had another court today.
Did you hear from him, Linda?
No, sir, I haven't.
Just remind him of the rules, please.
Yes.
On to page 5. 682-091, State versus Albert Martinez, attorney, David McLean.
Good morning, Your Honor. David McLean, present for Albert Martinez. I believe he's on as well. If you'd mark us conferring.
All righty. Where's your client? You say he's Albert Martinez?
Yes, sir.
There you are.
Yes,
Good
Your
morning
Honor.
to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm present.
Very good. All right. 683-370, State versus Carla Calderon, attorney, Mary Petracek or Peterzak.
Still calling document.
State, pardon
Yes,
me,
sir.
Mary
This is
Peterzak.
Carla Calderon.
Sorry, what?
The president, sir, Carla Calderon.
I hear you and see you, yes. There's no file on this. We're going to reset this pretty well automatically, but we have to hear from Ms. Peterzak first.
Yes, sir.
683-491, State versus Joshua Barrera, attorney, Jonathan Watkins.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm present for Mr. Barrera, and he should be on, Judge.
What's his first name?
Lando.
Lando, Sarah.
Joshua Barrera.
He's here, Your
Good morning, Your
There you
Honor.
are. I see you. All right. What are you doing, Mr. Watkins?
I just needed to confer with the state whenever the court gets time.
I show you as conferring. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 685-316, State versus Brandon Sloan, attorney, Jerry Valdez. Brandon Sloan.
God bless you, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Sloan. Are you in communication with Jerry Valdez?
Doing my best, Your Honor.
Well, that's not a doing my best answer. I need yes or no. Are you in contact with him?
Negative, Your Honor.
All right. Linda, have we heard from Jerry Valdez?
No, sir.
All right, show him no response.
Your Honor, Jerry Valdez was here in the courtroom with me. I think his other client was on page 4. He was here.
All right, okay. I've got him showing, we'll show him as conferring.
You know what? I think he.
685-653, State versus Edward Mertens, attorney, Elizabeth Russell. Edward Mertens, failure to appear. Elizabeth Russell, no response. Page 6. 687-282, no file. State versus Hector Galvan. Hector Galvan. Richard Garcia Jr., no response. Linda?
Judge, Hector Galvan was in the hallway.
I'm here. I'm here in the hallway, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning. Who's speaking?
Mr. Galvan.
I'm outside the courtroom.
Galvan.
Okay, Hector Galvan, I see you. Very good. And who's answering? Is that Richard?
No.
All right. All right, Mr. Galvan, stick around, wait for Mr. Garcia. Have you heard from them at all, Linda?
No, sir, I haven't.
687-415, State versus Peter Antwine, attorney, Randall Griner. Peter Antwine is a failure to appear.
Yeah, I'm here, Your Honor.
And Randall Griner, attorney. No response.
I'm here, Your Honor.
I got you present. 687-490, State versus Raimundo Ornelas, attorney, no attorney.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Ornelas. Have you hired an attorney?
I had to take care of some financial situations in order to acquire an attorney. I'm hoping for an extension so I can get that attorney.
We'll recall you in 2 weeks.
Thank you, sir.
Come in with your attorney.
Yes, sir.
That's gonna be September the 19th.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. 688, 895, State versus David Mireles, listed as a fugitive. Attorney Joe Stenberg. Joe Stenberg, no response. David Mireles, failure to appear. 689-759, State versus Vincent Fox. Attorney Manuel Rodriguez Jr.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Good morning, Mr. Fox.
Good morning, sir. I talked to Mr. Rodriguez earlier over an email. I asked him if he was going to be present, and he still has not got back to me.
Any word from him, Linda?
No, sir.
Show him as a no response at this time. 689-781, State versus Ernest Garza. Attorney Andrew Freilich. Ernest Garza, failure to appear. Andrew Freilich, have we heard from him?
No, sir, we haven't heard from him.
Show him no response this morning. 689-800, State versus Marcus Brown. Attorney Bob Hicks. Marcus Brown.
Marcus Brown is present in the courtroom, Judge.
And
All right.
Mr. Hicks will be late, Judge.
Bob Hicks has communicated. Very good. One last case for today. 689-830, State versus Tiffany Martinez. She's currently in jail. Attorney Suzanne Kramer. Any contact from Ms. Kramer? Hello, Linda.
I'm sorry, no, Judge, no contact. I haven't heard from Ms. Kramer.
Show her is no response. And of course, Ms. Martinez is here involuntarily.
Yes.
All right, that's our docket. Attorneys, who has to report in? Renee Munoz. What you got? Hello.
Yes, Judge.
Anybody
I have-
thought their name should have been called and didn't hear it, or you're coming in
Yeah,
late?
Christopher Culp. Christopher Culp.
Christopher who? Culp.
Culp.
Mr. Culp, what's your case number? Do we know?
I don't know my case number, sir.
There it is. I found it. All right, Mr. Culp, I show you as present. Your attorney, Christopher Castro, has been conferring. Stick around and see what the report is.
All right.
Any other person that has not checked in that needs to check in?
Yes, Your Honor. This is Larry Meadows.
Larry Meadows, attorney.
Yes, on Lando Shepherd.
Case number.
That is 649564.
All right. Top of page 2. All right, sir. You had checked in that you'd be late. And Mr. Shepherd came in. Now he's late, but he's here.
He's physically present, Judge?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You're
All
both.
right, I
shown-
think I'll come down to the court and talk to him, but I need
All
to
right.
confer, Your Honor.
Very good.
All right, thank you.
I'm right here on Zoom. I'm not in the courtroom.
Larry Meadows, what you got?
I'm on Zoom. I'm a girl.
Oh, okay, she's on Zoom. I apologize. I thought she was physically present. If I could confer, Judge, with the state, that'd be the next step I need to do.
I'm listing you to confer.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Good morning, Judge. Patricia Vieta. I have 2 cases.
Patricia Vieira, is that the late Patricia Vieira?
I am, Judge. I'm sorry. I had a family emergency.
What you got?
I have
Cases.
Darius Minich and I have Ruben Pena.
Give me the first one. Give me a case number.
656833.
656-833. Darius Minich was here on time,
Yes.
and we show you that you're going to be late. No problem. You checked in. I appreciate
And then
that.
I have Ruben Pena.
Ruben Pineapple.
Yes.
What's the case number?
667 254.
667. 254.
And it's on page 3, I think.
Yes. Ruben Pina is absent as of the call of the docket.
Okay, I spoke with him on Friday. I sent him the Zoom link, Judge, if you'll allow me an opportunity to try to reach him. I actually just sent a text because I didn't see his name up on the board either.
All right. If you get him to report, there will not be a warrant, but he'll have
Okay.
1 week to do so. Otherwise, there will be a warrant for his arrest.
You got it, Judge. May I confer right now on Mr. Minnick's case?
Yes, ma'am, you may.
Thank you.
You can confer on both of them, but you know that you
Okay.
got to produce the other one.
Yes, Judge.
All right.
Thank you.
Rene Munoz,
Yes, Your Honor. I have Isabel Sanchez on page 3,
case number.
666641.
All right. Isabel Sanchez.
Yes,
You're
Judge, you
both
excuse.
present. What you got? What's your report?
Yes, Your Honor. I received an offer from the state that would resolve both cases. I just need to speak it over with my clients, discuss the possible consequences, and see if she wants to elect to do that or if she wants a trial.
All right, I'll give you 2 weeks to get that done.
Yes, Your Honor.
September the 19th.
September 19th. Got it down. Thank you,
Raymond
Judge.
Vale Jr.,
Yes, Judge. Good morning.
what you got?
My client showed up, Judge. She is on Zoom.
Case number?
Case number is 606538. 606538, sir.
The very first one on page.
It sure is. All right, your client is present.
Yes, sir.
So marked. Have you conferred already?
Judge, this is what I was explaining to you. It's slated for PTD. She's been accepted, except that they won't close it out until she pays restitution of
I got you. So how
2,300.
much time are you gonna need?
I don't know. She's been struggling to get the money together, Judge. So it's whatever amount of time you can give us, I'll be
Well, let's give
appreciative.
you 30 for right now and see where we're at.
Okay, sir.
All right.
September the 19th.
Andrea Matos.
Yes, Judge. I have Nigel Nelson. He's on page 6 of the docket, and his case number is 685712.
685-712, top of the docket on that page. Nigel Nelson, what is your report, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor. I spoke to Kenny and conferred with him. This is a fairly new filed case, so he's requesting some time to review the file, and then we are also requesting some time to see if we can get some mitigation together. So if we can get a 30-day reset.
Reset 30 days.
September the 19th.
All right, very good.
Your Honor, can I approach on an off-docket matter, or do you want me to wait until after you finish calling on people?
There's the sound is not good. Try it again slowly.
I have an off-docket matter as well that I wanted to see if I could approach you on, but I can wait until you finish calling on the other
Okay.
attorneys for their announcements.
What is the case number on that?
The case number is 686142, and it's Nicholas Koger.
Spell the last name.
Koger is Koger.
Okay.
He was placed on anabuse for a month with no issues, and so we wanted to see if we could remove the anabuse. There should be a motion filed, but we just wanted to approach on the off-docket matter to see if we could produce anything for that.
Okay, we'll talk about it in a little bit.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Mr. Acevedo. It is the late Paul Acevedo. ¿Qué pasó? I don't hear you. You got a microphone in there?
Yeah, I have Blake Thies. He's on page 2. I'm here in the courtroom. He checked in I'm waiting to see if the state was able to contact their complainant. Judge, can I get a 30-day reset on that?
Well, have you talked to the state at all?
Yes, they were going to reach out to the complainant.
Well, well, they're gonna reach out now, or they were supposed to reach out already?
It's my understanding they're going to reach out already. And I was going to confer with them through email.
Okay, why don't I'm gonna put you to confer right now
Okay.
and see what the status is. You can come back and tell me pretty quickly.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, you're welcome. Melanie Lida,
Judge, we finished conferring, and I think right now we're just gonna go ahead and set this case for trial.
Case
And in the
number.
meantime, it's 660-782 and 783 for Garcia.
660-782 and 783.
Page 2.
Esmeralda,
Yes.
okay. Set for trial. Linda,
October the 7th.
All righty, thank you. Maybe excuse.
You're both excused.
Thank you.
Somebody with an iPhone 3. Is that an attorney? Too bad. Daniel Rodriguez, case number.
Hondo, come on in here. Judge, I have Michael Robbins was not able to, we don't have anybody from Public Integrity here today to refer.
How about a case number?
It is 654597. So I was hoping to get another pre-trial so we can figure out who it is that's assigned to this case.
Let's reset that for 3 weeks.
Okay. Do we have a date?
Yes, September the 26th.
Okay. And also, Your Honor, I have Armando Garcia. He was set last Thursday and he was a no-show, but you said if I could bring him in within a week that you would not issue a warrant.
That's correct. What's the case number?
His case number is 677470. And he's here with me in my office.
Armando Garcia.
That's right. And he's here, Your Honor. And he's already got a date of September 19th.
All right. Linda, make note that he has appeared. We will not issue a warrant.
Okay, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
And that's all I have. And Mr. Robbins, be excused.
He's there. Y'all are both excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. You're excused.
Jonathan. Yes, sir. You're excused. Jonathan Watkins.
Yes, sir, Judge. I conferred with the prosecutor on case number 683491, Joshua Barrera, and we'd like 30 days. Mr. Delco wants to talk to Ms. Jarman, and I'm also going to get my client to do some mitigation.
Reset 30.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. And may my client and I be excused, sir?
You are both excused. Thank you.
Jonathan, September 26th.
Thank you, Miss Linda.
You're welcome.
You have a great day.
Bertram, the late Bertram Wood III. As always,
Good morning, Judge.
As always, note the R in my enunciation.
Judge, I need to talk with the prosecutor if possible. My client received felony probation on the 12th, so about a little over 2 weeks ago. We've still got a pending case in your court.
Give me a case number.
Excuse me, Judge, 664845. MARTZ, Jennifer Mars.
Yeah, I see it. Is he present? Because he wasn't when I called it.
Oh, that I don't know. She was in court for the felony probation, so surely she's not crazy enough to not come here.
Jennifer Martz, speak up, wave, dance, do something. She's not present. I've got her.
I'll get her. I'll get her in here, Judge. I'll get her.
All right. Be sure you get her to report. Are you going to confer with the state?
If I may, thank you.
Sure. But get her to report. Otherwise, I'll have to issue a warrant. John Green.
Yes, sir. Thanks.
Good morning, Judge. I conferred with 88 Delco on 661126 Demarius Holmes. That's the add-on for today for the motion for discovery and inspection. We were not able to come to an agreement on that, so I think we're going to have to approach.
You have to what?
We did not come to an agreement on the motion for discovery, so I think we're going to have to approach.
Okay. Mark it such, and we'll see when we get to it in a little while.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Mr. Griner.
Good morning, Judge. My client
Good
should
morning.
be there. I need to confer.
What's your case number?
I'll pull it up for you.
687415.
Thank you, Linda.
You're welcome. Page 6.
Peter Antwine is present. Mr. Griner, you did not report, did not check with us ahead of time. What do you want to do on this?
I'd like to confer, Your Honor.
I'll list you to confer. I will remind you the local rules require you to let us know if you have a conflict or you're going to be late.
Thank you,
All
Judge.
right. Forrest Good.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I'm here on behalf of Mary Petersak for our client Carla Calderon.
Give me a case number.
Case number is 683370.
All righty.
I do see that she is on Zoom, and could I confer with Kenny if possible?
Yes, sir. Present right here.
Mr. Good. All righty. Your client Calderon is present. We'll put you to confer.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Monica Kerala, the late Monica Kerala.
Judge, I do apologize. I was set in a few different courts this morning. If I can confer with the prosecutors, I'm here on Mr. Reese Alfaro. We had been doing the PTD application and I thought.
If you'll give me a case number, I'll mark it such.
662490. Page
660. Page what?
Page 2, 662490.
662490. We had no contact from you ahead of time, Ms. Kerala. Local rules require that.
I apologize, Your Honor.
All right, we'll show you as conferring now.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's see. Somebody says iPhone 3, but no name. Are you an attorney? Hello?
My iPhone 3?
Yes.
I don't know my name. I am Cassidy Collins. My name
What's up, Cassidy?
called. Yes. And I got I'm supposed to be here today, but you didn't call my name, so I'm like, I don't know what's going on with that.
What is
And
your
my
name
attorney
again?
isn't present.
What is your name again?
Cassidy Collins.
Cassidy Collins. I don't
Yes,
believe I
sir.
called that name.
Yeah, I know I didn't miss it because I started the video a little bit early, but
Linda, do you show that name on
what's
the
my
document?
I'm looking for it, Judge. Give me 1 second. Cassidy,
where's the card?
are you Cassidy K. Collins?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are.
I have I think
You are set on June
Sorry.
1st.
they reset my date. Wait,
Yeah, I don't know who did, but it's set for June 1st.
when? June 1st?
Next year?
Wait,
Oh, wait.
It's-
Oh, I'm sorry. Who? I'm sorry.
I'm like so confused.
Show me this card. This
No,
is what we
yeah.
got.
Hold on. Who told you to get on today?
My attorney.
No, the
or-
card.
Oh, what? Well, I got
Okay.
this card mailed to me.
Okay. Okay. All right. Stay on, I'll deal with you in a minute.
Okay,
Nisbet.
sorry, I'm like super confused.
Tom
Good
Nisbet.
morning. Good morning,
Good morning.
Judge. We had called and spoke to the court already last week and this morning. Our client's files were not ready, so they were reset. But I just have a discovery issue that I'd like to confer with the state on, if I could, please.
Is the case on today's docket?
Yes, sir.
What's the case number?
641-240.
That is April Carter.
Sir.
That has been reset.
I know.
You're going to confer, you said.
Yeah, Judge, my issue is it's a 2019 case and I still don't have any discovery at all.
Go ahead and confer with the state before we do anything else, and let's get that, see which way we go on that.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Attorney Christopher Castro.
Yes, Judge, I conferred with Mr. Delco on Mr. Culp's case. That's going to
Case
be
number.
case number 638917.
Okay.
There is a possible resolution. We may be able to have this out by the next setting.
I'm getting interference from somebody else. I'll say it again.
There's a possible resolution. We should be able to have this worked out by the next setting, Judge.
30-day reset.
30-day reset is fine, Judge.
You got it.
Could I be placed in a breakout room with my client, Mr. Culp?
Linda, make it so, please.
Yes, and Christopher, that will be September 26th, and I'll put you in a breakout room.
David McLean.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am here
September
on
26th.
Cause number 682-091, Albert Martinez. I conferred with Mr. Delco. He needs time to review the case again so we can try and work out a resolution, but I think it's something we're going to be able to work out possibly next setting.
All right, we're going to reset you 30 days.
Thank you very much, Judge. I appreciate you.
That'll be to dispose of the case.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank
You
you.
and
Your
your
Honor.
client are both excused.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great day.
You too. Patrick Valentine.
Good morning, Judge. I have conferred with the state on both of the cases that I'm appearing on. They have made offers, but both these offers are contingent on my clients doing a little homework in advance. And so we're asking for a standard reset to give them enough time to do that.
Well, just give me some case numbers.
Yes, sir. 685532. That's a Deepak Konavaparu.
Reset 30 days for disposition.
Thank you.
All right, you and Mr. Konavaparu.
September
Whatever.
26th.
September 26th.
What's the other one, Patrick?
676389. That's a Jorge Aguilar. It's the same situation, so if we could get the same date, that would be
Reset, Linda.
Yes, sir. 30 days, save date, Patrick.
Very
Thank
good.
you all very much.
You and Mr. Aguilar are excused. Darius Lee Minute.
Yes, sir. I do apologize for interrupting. I was wondering if I could be allowed to head to work.
To do what?
I was wondering if I could be allowed to head to work and be excused. I do apologize about interrupting.
No problem. Did you talk to Ms. Vieira about that?
No, sir, not yet. I don't have any contact information from her, but when she checked in, she said she was going to confer, but I haven't received anything personally, communication about that or anything at all whatsoever. I tried to catch her in the
Okay,
chat.
let's let you go to work. I'll make a note. Linda, let Ms. Vieira know that we excused him because he wanted to go back to work.
Okay.
Sir,
Mr. Minute, make sure that you get in touch with your attorney.
Yes, sir. I've attended all of my court dates and all of my information for communication is up to date. So
Sure.
there wouldn't
Mr.
be.
Minute,
Appreciate you, sir.
be sure that you get in touch with your attorney. Got it?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You're excused then.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right. Let's see. Attorneys that need to check in. Let's see some hands. All right.
Tony Hernandez, Judge.
Tony Hernandez.
Good morning, Judge. I have an Adam Garcia, 677-275.
677.
275. I don't believe he's checked in, Judge. And the
All
court,
right.
there's
It's a no
warrant for my
file
arrest.
at this time, Tony.
I'm sorry, Judge?
It's a no file at this time, but he is listed as a fugitive.
Yes, Judge.
He's got 3 felonies, 1 unindicted, and then he's failed to show up here, so he's digging himself into a deep hole.
He is, Judge. I just wanted to check in with the court.
Tony, just to remind you, the local rules require that if you have not been able to, you're not going to be here at 9, you're supposed to let us know by 8:50, all right?
I will, Judge. I apologize for that.
All right. Then at this point, get Mr. Garcia to check in with us, otherwise I'll have to issue a fresh warrant out of this court.
I'll do my best, Judge.
All righty, that's understood. Good enough. Forrest Good.
Morning, Your Honor. I've confirmed with prosecution. They're wanting to check with felony regarding this case, so we're going to request a reset.
How about a case number, Mr. Good?
Yes, Your Honor. 683-370.
683.
370. Yes, Your Honor. I'm here on
Okay,
behalf
that's on
of
page 5. 683. Bless you.
Thank you, sorry.
370, and that's Carla Calderon.
Yes,
She
sir.
showed up. She was here on time. That's a no file. What do you want to do? We give you 30 days. Actually, is the felony pending too?
Yes, Your Honor. 30 days would be great.
All right, then we'll reset you 30 days.
September 26th.
All right, let's
Thank you, Linda.
see. Attorney John Green.
Yes, Judge. I was here for Demarius Holmes. We're going to approach with 88 Delco on that motion for discovery.
Okay, hold on a little bit. That's going to take a little hearing. All right, attorneys. Andrea Matos, do you need to talk to me? Andrea Matos.
Wanted to talk to you or approach you on an off docket matter, Judge.
Okay, that's another one.
Mhm.
All right.
Get plugged in.
Kayleen, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Once you're getting the judge.
All right, let's talk. Mr. What was it? Mr. Green, was it?
Yes.
That's
And
correct,
Mr.
Judge.
Is Mr. Delco available? All right, he must be conferring. Linda, when you get Delco out, let's see what we can do with this issue with Mr. Green.
Okay.
Are you what?
Judge, Mr. Hicks is on.
The late Bob Hicks again?
Judge, I'm terribly sorry. If they keep putting these district court hearings at 9, I'm gonna be late every day.
Which case number are you talking about, Bob?
689-800.
689.
800.
There
I'll
it
be
is.
right back.
At the bottom of page 6.
Yes.
And your client, Marcus Brown, is present. He was here on time. We had note that you were going to be here, and here you are.
Well,
What you got, Bob? You want to confer?
Yeah, this is the first time we've ever been to court on this. I'd like to confer.
All right. So noted. Thank you for checking in with us ahead of time.
Certainly.
Okie doke. Let's see. Andrea Matos, are you awake now?
That's probably what it's referring.
She's just standing there smiling. You see her, Linda?
Yes, I see her, Judge.
Dressed kind of spiffy and smiling. What else can we ask for? Paul, what you got?
Judge, I've been in the waiting room and nobody has come in to confirm.
Well, that's because you were way down at the bottom of the list.
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge.
There's about 21 ahead of you.
Okay, Judge, can I sign out? Because I have another Zoom that they're still waiting for me, and I have an in-person And then can I sign back in maybe about 20 minutes?
If you think you're gonna take you just 20 minutes?
Judge, I'm being. Can I
Okay,
sign
go
in?
ahead. We'll wait for you after a while.
Okay, thank you, Judge. I appreciate you. Oh, Judge, my client is still online. Can he sign out? And then if I need him, can I call him back to sign back in?
Sure. What's your client's name?
His name is Blake Thies, Theis.
Okay. And what's that case number?
Oh, let me
Six
get,
five one 651-701.
651.
701.
All right, that's on page 2, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Thies,
Yes.
you're excused. You can go to work or home or whatever you need to do.
Thank
Mr.
you, sir.
Acevedo will be doing some work, but right now he's got a bunch of things he's got to take care of.
Blake,
Thank
I'll
you.
call you later.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Let's see, Andrea Matos.
Yes, Judge. I wanted to see if I could approach on that off-docket matter that we had discussed earlier, Nicholas Koger.
Okay, what's case number on that?
Case number is 686-142.
686.
142, yes.
Hold on. What's the defendant's name?
Nicholas Koger, Koger is the last name.
It was 666-142, or was it 686-142?
686-142.
686. All right. Let's is the state available? Did you need to talk just to me? And it's not something where I'm gonna decide without the state being present, is it?
It was just about his, he was added on to get an abuse, and so we were just requesting to get it off. If you would like me to confer with the state, I can definitely do that.
Why don't you go ahead and confer on that issue?
Okay, all right, thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Let's see. Javier's iPhone. Who's Javier?
Me, Judge.
Andrea, go back to 4.
Okay, will do, thank you.
Okay, Javier,
Judge.
what's your last name and what's your case number?
Severa. I think we already checked in. We already conferred. Me and my lawyer. I was just wondering if we were excused.
Who's your lawyer?
Sean Braun. I had a different attorney stepping in because my other attorney couldn't make it.
Stick around until he tells us something, okay?
Okay.
All right. John Green, we have a issue, right?
Yes, Judge, waiting for Mr. Delco so we can approach on a motion.
Clint Malloy.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here appearing on behalf of Oscar Salinas for the state for the Michael Robbins case.
Case number.
One moment, Judge, if you don't mind.
654-597. That's for Daniel Rodriguez, Judge.
654.
597.
What?
597.
Yeah, that's Robbins reset 3 weeks.
Yes, to 926.
What did you need?
He's the public integrity.
Okay.
Clint, are you going to be the one he needs to get in contact with?
Dan?
Yes.
That will probably be Oscar. Oscar's in trial on the 226th. Hopefully should be done in a week or so. But in the meantime, if Dan needs to talk to someone, then I'd be happy to chat with him.
Okay. Can I go ahead and just give him your email address for now?
Yes.
Okay, I will send him an email or something or call him and tell him to email you for now.
And he has my phone numbers as well, or he should.
Okay, I will let him know to contact you.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And Your Honor, with that may be excused.
Yes, sir, of course.
Thank you, Judge.
Monica Kirala.
Can I get into a breakout room with my client, Mr. Reese Alfaro, please?
Yes.
Thank
Linda,
you.
make sure that's done. Thank you, Ms. Corrales. Mark Cordero, what do you need?
Judge, I haven't been able to contact my attorney, Ross Rodriguez.
You'll have to wait, son. Stick around.
Okay.
Monica, go back to 1 and I will put your client in there with you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Who is listed as iPhone 3?
That's me, Cassidy Collins.
Who is that?
Cassidy Collins.
Miss
Can you hear
Collins,
her clearly, Linda?
yes, Miss Collins, I'm gonna give you my phone number if you can just call me, please.
Yes. What is your name? Let me get a pen real quick. Your phone number?
My phone number is 210-335-2172.
335-2172.
Yes, call me and then we can talk about your court date, please.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I was confused about my lawyer. See, this is it. Yeah, I'll call you. Sorry.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Anybody need to check in that has not checked in before? All right. It is 10:26. I'm going to take about a 10-minute recess.
Hey, Linda.
Yes.
Can you put me in a conference with my client, Darius Minnick?
Okay, so judge excused him because he had to go to work.
Okay, that's okay. I can't reach Ruben Pena. I don't know what's going on. I've been trying and blowing up his phone basically. But I spoke with them on Friday, him and his wife, and he knew to be here.
Okay.
So I will keep trying with him.
Hold on a moment. This is Linda. Can you hold for a moment? Thanks. Okay. What are we doing on Munich then?
Well, they offered an offer. I haven't been able to talk to him. Remember, he was one who's always missing.
Yeah.
So I
Okay.
haven't been able to give him what the offer has been. But do you want to maybe recall me a couple of weeks and I'll relay the
Okay. How about September the 19th?
Let's see.
You're what? Okay.
I've got an out of county.
Okay, how about the 20th or 21st?
Let's do the 21st.
Okay, that's fine. We can do the 21st.
Okay, you got it. Thank you,
All
Linda.
right. You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
I am here on Jolyn Vasquez.
Yes, sir. Did you want to confirm, Mr. Kentrow? She is here.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Is there any chance you can put me in the breakout room? The deputy's not here and I can't do it.
Sorry. Did you leave the middle in there?
Okay, good morning, Mr. Kendall. How are you?
Hi, Judge.
What's happening with Adrian Johnson's case this morning?
Judge, we're recalling it to Friday and we'll have a do the plea on that date.
Okay, Monica, what are we doing, Monica?
Good morning. The DA still doesn't show that our PTD agreement was ever submitted, but my client says he's already been reporting for several months and already completed all the classes. So I'm going to send him to pretrial with everything and including a copy of his contract to see if they can figure out what happened there. And if we can just have another setting so that we can get a response from pretrial services to find out where the hangup was.
Okay, how about September 26th, 30 days?
Yes, ma'am, that'll be great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
May we be excused?
Yes.
Thank you.
Mr. Garcia, how can I help you?
Yes, good morning. I have two cases on the docket today. Abdiel Baltasar Coronado.
Yeah, he was
I
a
think
failure to appear.
he's been FTA for quite some time.
Okay.
And then the other one, Hector Galvan, is in the courtroom.
Okay, Hector Galvan is in the courtroom. I'll have to
But
make.
I haven't been able to confer.
Okay, hold on, give me a second.
Thank you.
Oh, actually, I think he's out he's in the hallway, but okay, let me put you in to confer. Hold on, okay?
Thank you.
Linda, this is Larry Meadows. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Yeah, I hear you.
The state is dismissing Lando Shepherd's case.
And Larry, by the way, I saw a different spelling in your pick. You had it
So,
What is your case number, Mr. Meadows?
hold on.
Oh, I found it. I found it.
Okay.
Dismissal, right?
Yeah, Lando Shepherd.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh. Ms. Shepherd, your case is going to be dismissed. You are excused.
I'm going in now. Can you hear me?
Your case is being dismissed. You are excused. Hi, Randall, how you doing?
I'm doing fine, Linda. How was your weekend?
It was good. Always short, but good.
Okay, on my guy, Peter Antoine, page 6, about the middle of the docket.
Okay,
State's gonna look for some discovery, so if you can just give us a 30-day reset.
okay. I am going to give you September the 26th.
All right, Peter, if you heard that, did you get it? Okay, I think he's
Yes,
nodding his
yes,
head.
sir. Yes,
All right,
sir.
September 26th.
Yes,
September 26th. All right.
Thank you. I'll see y'all.
okay. Mr. Is it Deepak? Deepak? Kyle, can you meet with Mr. Rolando Garcia?
Yeah, yes. What room is that? Oh, I see, 9.
Okay, thank you. Kenny, can you meet with Richard Garcia? He's in room 3. Deepak? Hello? Samsung SM? Samsung SM? What is your name? Hello, what is your name? You're muted. Samsung SM. Yes, what is your name, sir?
Linda, Richard Garcia's case is under file.
Hello?
What is your name?
The Pam for the existing interlock. I'll give him a
Hold on, Richard. Hold on.
Okay. Thank you.
Hold on. Samsung SM, what is your name?
Alex Longoria. Alex
And your attorney is Sean Sheffield, correct?
Yes.
Okay. I'm trying to get in touch with him.
Okay. I just wait?
Yes,
Okay, ma'am. I'll wait.
thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, Richard, I'm sorry.
No worries. There's no file on Hector Galvan.
Hector Galvan.
Do you need a cause number? 687-282?
Okay, you want to reset 45 days?
How many days?
45?
That'd be good.
Okay, October the 17th.
Perfect.
Okay,
Perfect.
okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hector Galvan, you are excused. Your case has been reset. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay, and it's been reset to October 17th.
Okay, ma'am, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a blessed day.
You too, sir. Erica's iPhone?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry, what is your last name? Are you on the document?
Yes, Erica Gonzalez with an S at the end.
Yes, give me 1 second. I remember seeing your name. Oh, that's Roland. Okay. He's conferring still. Okay, just hold tight.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm.
Linda, how we doing?
We're doing good, Judge. I'm trying to, I know that Anthony Cantrell was in the courtroom, but he walked out. And I guess he should be walking back in shortly.
Who's that?
Anthony Cantrell. I think another court was calling him, so he walked out. Kenny, can you meet with Andrea in a breakout room? It's regarding, I think it's an off docket matter. 686-142. The name is Nicholas Koger. Thank you.
Hey, Judge Cleopatra should be coming back in soon, but on 686-142, we've reached an agreement. We'll go ahead and take off the anti-abuse, but we're going to request zero tolerance instead.
And there is no objection from the defense on that. We are going to keep him on ignition interlock, again with zero tolerances, and then he'll be taken off the abuse.
Which one are we talking about?
This is that off docket matter, Judge, 686-142.
Nicholas Koger.
Yes, Your Honor.
So what have you agreed to?
So removing the anti-abuse, Judge, and we're going to leave him on the ignition interlock and add zero tolerance, please.
So we're going to remove the anti-abuse?
Yes, Judge.
Remain on ignition interlock.
Yes.
Zero tolerance.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Linda, you got that noted?
Sir, got it noted.
Very good. All right, then you guys are excused.
Thank you, Judge. Thanks, Kenny.
You're welcome. Did we get Mr. Green taken care of as far as?
No,
wanted to hear?
Kenny is back, so
Okay. Mr. Green, talk to me. What is your case number?
The case number, Judge, is 661126, and actually
Okay,
sent the motion that we're talking about to Linda through the Zoom chat.
All right, what is the disagreement on, wait a minute. Kayleen Rivera, good morning.
Good morning, Judge. What's the name of the case?
This is 661126, State versus Demarius Holmes. Defense attorney is John Green. Present for the state is Mr. Kenneth Delco.
Thank you,
So,
Judge.
all right, what do we have, gentlemen? Mr. Green.
Judge, we have a motion for discovery and inspection that was filed on August 16th. It was accepted. And we have, I guess, 5 things that we lay out in there that we're requesting. We're in agreement of 1, 2, 3, and 4. And Mr. Delco is not in agreement to number 5, which is all documents, manuals, and other tangible things the state or any witness intend to introduce, rely on, or refer to in their testimony. As I'm sure the court.
Say again.
So what we're requesting, Judge, for number 5 is all documents, manuals, or other tangible things the state or any witness intend to introduce, rely on, or refer to in their testimony.
They're going to rely on for what?
In their testimony, Judge.
That's kind of broad. Mr. Delco, what's your response?
Judge, my response is I'm demanding specifics because as you just noted, it is overly broad. So, I mean, I'm happy to give them what they're looking for, but all is too broad. What do you want? Do you want NHTSA manuals? I'm not understanding what they're requesting. It's just very, very broad.
Mr. Green, I tend to agree with Mr. Delco on this. Give us a little more specific, because that's at this point it'll seem to me that it's too broad.
Well, Judge, the 3914 allows or says that they shall produce all evidence that's material. Then Watkins v. State defines material as having a logical connection to any consequential fact. And here we're asking for pretty much anything that's relevant that the state has in their possession that they intend to introduce, rely on, or refer to. So that includes the underlying facts and data of an expert witness, the NHTSA manual of any officer, and reports or anything else that may be in existence.
Now, you did qualify that by saying in their possession. What if we have a police officer go testify? He used a NHTSA manual way back 20 years ago, but the state is not in possession of it. Are you requiring the state to produce it? Is that what you want?
Only if he intends to rely on it, Judge. As you know, a good amount of officers read the NHTSA manual when they're in the academy and then never really go back to it. So if that's not something they're relying on, then it's not relevant in that case.
I'm going to grant the motion to the extent that it is specific enough that the state has fair notice. How's that nice and general to meet your general request? And furthermore, within your request, that is something that's in their possession.
And just to clarify, Judge,
you can feel free to submit a little more specific requests. I'll probably grant them, but at this point, that's so broad that it's, the only way I can answer that fairly on both sides is that it be a broad response.
Okay, understood, Judge. So that's granted so long as the state has fair notice and those documents are in their possession.
And the material or documents requested are in the state's possession. That is the essence of your request, says that.
That's correct, Judge.
All right. If you, like I said, feel free to submit, I should say amended supplemental requests. I will consider them.
Understood, Judge.
Anything further?
Nothing from defense, Judge.
All right, Mr. Delco.
Judge, can you make sure that they turn over their supplemental within 10 days so that I can get with who I need to get whatever they're requesting?
I'm not gonna tie them down to 10 days because we don't know when their trial is. At least 30 days before a date for trial. That way that'll give the state time to find and produce whatever you might want. But again, this is supplemental. You can do that anytime you want to.
Understood, Judge.
All right. Anything else, Mr. Delco?
Judge, it looks like the next jury trial date for this case will be on September 23rd.
Is this set for trial?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, you've got 30 days ahead of that if you're going to supplement. Actually, that's already passed, isn't it?
Yes, Judge. Or based on what Mr. Delco just said, it is.
Go ahead. If you're going to supplement, I'll give you 10 days to supplement, and that's it.
Okay, understood, Judge.
All right.
May I be excused?
Yes, sir. You're excused.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
You too. Anybody else? Let's see. Mr. Longoria, you've been patient. Did your client ever show up? I mean, your attorney?
Not yet. We're still waiting.
All right, it's 10:57. People waiting 2 hours. This Linda,
Yes, sir.
627364. Did that person show up?
No, not Rodriguez, no.
It's a failure to appear. Anthony Cantrell, did he appear?
I'm here, Judge.
All right, thank you. 629284. Richard Garcia, he showed up,
He
right?
showed up and I did inform him that Mr. Baltasar Coronado did not appear. But he
It's a
did
failure to
confer on
appear.
his other client though.
Did you remind him of the rules on reporting ahead of time if he's not going to be here on time?
Yes, sir.
All right, Sean Sheffield, did he show up?
No, and I have left him a message, no response.
All right, put him on the list. Hopkins, 634454. That's reset, right? But did he ever show up?
No, Mr. Hopkins hasn't shown up.
Okay, then he's a failure to appear at this point. $11, actually 10:58. Ross Rodriguez, did he ever show up?
No, sir, I left him a voicemail message as well.
Larry Meadows, I think, did finally show up, right?
Yes, and actually, Judge, that one will be dismissed.
Larry Meadows case?
Yes.
All right, page 3. Jennifer March, did she show up?
No, sir.
Failure to appear. Ruben Pina,
Same thing.
huh? Failure to
thing.
appear.
Yes.
Amanda Ramirez,
Same thing, Judge.
failure to appear. Elisa Hernandez,
Failure to appear.
did Joe Stateson ever appear?
No, I did get an email from him stating that they have been having no luck in contacting the client.
All right. Page 5. Elizabeth Russell.
I have an email from her, Judge. Defendant to work on classes for a conditional dismissal.
All right, so we'll go ahead and we'll not issue a failure to appear.
No,
Just to reset,
yes.
page 6. Richard Garcia, he showed up.
Yes, and I did reset that one with him.
All right, did you tell him about the rules?
Yes, I did.
All right. David Mireles. Joe Stenberg did not show, right?
No, he didn't, Judge.
And David Mireles, failure to appear.
Yes.
Vincent Fox, we have Manuel Rodriguez. Did he show up?
No, sir,
Attorney.
he hasn't.
All right. Then we have Ernest Garza, Andrew Freilich. It's not Andrew, like Andrew
No,
not
I
to show.
know. I'm gonna need to call him. I'm going down the list and just leaving messages or talking to them. So he's the next one I need to call.
All right,
And Suzanne Kramer too, but I know her client's in custody, but she's pretty good about.
what's the case number on Mr. Longoria?
Longoria is, hold on, give me a second. 632-336. Page 1, Judge.
Sean Sheffield.
Yes, and I left him a message.
All right, Mr. Longoria.
Yes, sir.
Judge Longoria is going to excuse you.
Okay.
I appreciate you being here on time. I will
Thank you,
take
sir.
up with your lawyer why he wasn't here on time. We're going to reset you. Are you available in 2 weeks?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Let's recall you in 2 weeks. Linda?
September 19th.
September 19th.
Yes,
Okay, what time? Same 9?
9 o'clock.
9
yes,
o'clock.
sir.
We always
Oh.
call the docket at 9 o'clock unless we specifically tell you different.
Okay. Okay, sir.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. I'm sorry you had to wait so long for nothing.
That's fine. Thank you.
Judge,
Have a good day.
we have Anthony Cantrell on.
Anthony Cantrell.
Hi, Judge. If I could get in a breakout room, please.
Yes, sir. Where you been, Anthony?
Oh, I went into your courtroom earlier and I waited, but I had to get to Atascosa County, so I got back on.
Oh, lucky you.
Yes.
All right.
He's in breakout room 1, guys.
Thank you.
Did Michael White ever show up?
No, sir, he hasn't. Mr. Longoria, you are excused.
Okay. I
Thank
can
you,
call
sir.
it. I can call it a day then, huh?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, you meant Alex Longoria.
No, not you, Alex Longoria.
Oh, hey, Kayleen. So we may, we're gonna go see Jamisa about the Acevedo case. So I'll text you to let you know whether or not she wants a transcript prepared.
That's fine.
Thank you.
Mr. Rolando Garcia is back, Judge.
Rolando Garcia, what's happening?
Looks like the state's gonna dismiss the case, Your Honor.
Give me a case number.
It's 678-830.
Thank
Top
you.
of page 4.
Thank you, Linda.
You're
All
welcome.
right. Very good. Then you and Ms. Gonzalez are excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Make sure and check back, make sure that they got the dismissal for. the
Okay,
agreement.
we're gonna work on it. Thank you.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Kenny, can you confer with Cantrell in breakout room 1, please?
Tony J. What's happening?
Judge.
Judge
Mr. Cantrell is back.
Judge, can we get a short reset? Mr. Delco and I have conferred. He needs a little more time, and I also need a little more time to make sure I have all the discovery.
Judge, you're muted.
Anthony, you got it. How about 3 weeks?
That's fine, Judge.
Okay. We'll recall
September
you in
the
3 weeks.
26th.
The 26th of September?
Yes.
Let's see.
Okay, Anthony, be sure you get here on time or let us know ahead of time.
I will, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Have a good week, sir.
You too.
Bye-bye.
We have Paula Acevedo on, Judge.
The late Paul Acevedo is still here.
I'm back, Judge. Still at the courthouse, but I'm back.
You're on Thies or Thies?
Yes, Your Honor.
What's going on?
Judge, I came back to get in line to confer with the state.
Okay, you're just returning to the
Yes, Your Honor.
flock. Okay.
Yes.
Linda, put him in breakout.
Did so. Andrew is on, Judge.
Miss Curala already took care of her case, no?
Yes. Andrew Froelich is on.
Andrew's back, or is he here now?
He's here.
Andrew, where you been? It's not like you to ignore me.
Sorry, Your Honor, I just can't get. Can you hear me this time?
I hear you now.
No, put it closer to you.
Better? Can you hear better now?
Little bit. Hey, Andrew, how do you properly pronounce your name? The
Last name is Freilich.
It's Freilich, yeah, okay.
Yes.
Sorry,
It's not Fralick like
like
Linda
I
was
say
saying.
it, I know.
I'll go. You know what? As long as you know who I am, I think I'll live.
All right. That's the way it should be. What you got, Andrew?
Doing our best, Judge. I've Ernest Garza this morning. I'm checking. I apologize for being late. I was in Atascosa County, and then on the way back, I was logged into County Court 12 for a plea. So, and this afternoon we'll be back for Mr. LaFond, who we tried last week, and unsuccessful. Can I confer?
Absolutely. All right. You shall confer, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Sharf.
Yes, Judge. Hello again. Conferred, and the state will be tendering a dismissal.
Give me a case number.
679-982.
679-982. That's on page 4.
Wait,
There we
no,
are.
that wasn't what was supposed to happen, Judge. I'm sorry. Even though I've been screened, I've already reached out to the detectives to get the missing discovery. So can I speak with Mr. Sharp and Mr. Vance in a breakout room, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
Get that cleared up.
I'll talk to Kenny, but that was actually what was intended.
I'm sorry, Mr. Vance, what did you say?
I said, I'm gonna go breakout room with Kenny, but that was what was intended.
Okay.
I can go back to 7 and I will put you in there with them. Or Kenny, you can go in there too.
Thank you.
All right. Well, you guys get it together here, please.
Okay.
Mark Cordero.
Yes, Judge, can you hear me?
I can.
I got a message from Russ Rodriguez's office. He's in a federal hearing.
No, Judge, he's actually here in my office.
I just want.
That's
Yeah.
a federal hearing with you, huh? Uh-huh. You got to be careful when you lie to us because the lies come out.
I just walked in.
He just walked in, Judge.
Somebody called and told him that you were in a federal hearing, Mr. Rodriguez.
Come over here so you can see.
Shame.
Judge, I just walked in from that, Judge. I wanted to get
You
over
know,
here.
in Spanish dicen que la mentira dura mientras la verdad llega. Which for those that don't speak Spanish, shame on you to begin with, but the expression is a lie will last only until the truth arrives. Okay, Ross, what's going on?
I just walked in right now. If I could just confer, but do I go out in the courtroom, Judge, or?
Yes.
Are the DAs in the courtroom, Linda?
No, they're both in breakout room with Mr. Alex Sheriff.
Okay. Do you have your computer with you or anything, Ross?
I didn't hear him. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Do you have a computer or something you can get on Zoom?
You know what, Judge? I can get on my phone.
Try it. Give it a try. See if we can get you in there.
Yes,
and
Judge.
You can confer with the guys.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes, sir.
Judge, Sean Sheffield is here as well.
Sean, the late Sean Sheffield. Damn, it's only
Yes.
11:14.
Hi, Judge. I have,
What's going on, Sean?
Your Honor,
Case number.
I have Alex Longoria.
632.
I just excused him. That poor guy's been here since 9 o'clock. Just
I
waiting.
apologize, Judge. Yeah, it's been a morning. I apologize. I understand it's reset for 2 weeks, so I will be back in 2 weeks.
All right.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Hey, don't forget the rules say that Sean,
Yes,
the local rules say that if you're not going to be here at 9 o'clock, you're supposed to let us know before 8:50.
I will, Judge.
Don't forget, that is the rule.
I will do that, Judge. I
All
apologize.
right.
Thank you. Thanks. Nothing here.
You too.
2 weeks, as in 2 weeks from today.
The 19th, yes, I'll send you an email though.
You know what? The 19th?
Uh-huh.
And Joe Stateson has not arrived, huh?
No,
Bueno, things have quieted down. Oh, Alex Sharp, ¿qué pasó?
That case is going to get dismissed, Judge.
Like you said,
Yes. Like Mr. Vance said.
and that was case number 679-982.
I believe that is right, Judge.
All right. Then we will show that to be dismissed.
All right. May we be excused, Your Honor.
Did we ever hear from Valerie Headland, Linda?
she did, sir, but she needed to go to other courts.
Okay,
So
she
I'll
was
get
here
with
on,
her.
she was here on time. now.
Yes, yes, so I'll get with her about her resets.
So she's not returned?
No, she hasn't yet.
Okay,
Mr. Ron Rodriguez is on. I'm gonna go ahead and put him out in a breakout room.
all righty.
Okay. Can one of you please confer with Mr. Ross Rodriguez? I'm putting him out. I'm putting him in breakout room 1, guys. And Andrew Freilich is in what? Is in 4, sorry.
Is that the same one as Andrew Freilich?
Yeah, I just said Freilich. I was gonna say
You
Fro.
said
and I stopped
you said
myself.
Froelich.
I stopped myself and I said Freilich.
Uh-huh. You did a poor job of stopping yourself.
Ms. Vasquez,
Yes.
your case is being reset to September 26th.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, thank you.
you're welcome.
I can leave.
Linda,
Yes, sir.
I tried to confer with Kenny, but he says it's Charles' case. So
Okay,
can you put me in a breakout room with Charles?
hey, go back to the one you're in, and then once Kyle is done, I'll let him know to go in there with you. Because he's
Is it-
conferring with somebody else right now.
Okay,
Okay? Okay.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Attorney by the name of Ross. Coordinator with
Judge? Judge,
Yes,
Mr. Rodriguez is back.
all righty, Ross, what you got?
Judge, I've conferred the state, and there's a video that we're still trying to track down, Judge. The state asked if I could go back and look at my e-discovery again, which is what I'm going to do.
How much time are you gonna do this? 3 weeks enough time?
That's enough time, Your Honor.
Reset 3 weeks, didn't it?
September the 26th, Mr. Rodriguez.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Take care.
Judge Joseph Stateson is on.
It's only 11:30, Mr. Stateson. What's going on?
Hello, Judge. Monica Guerrero asked me to check in. I had checked in, I think you're on page 4 or page 5 of the docket. I had missed her docket call.
You got
she
two
picked-
cases.
I think she only had one. Page 3. 674-353.
How about 627-264? Dario Rodriguez.
Let me check that cause number.
And the other one was what?
674-353.
Yeah, they're both failure to appear.
Yes, Andrew?
We've reached an agreement on that case. I believe it's going to be dismissed on Mr. Garza.
Dismissal. Okay.
Yeah. Can my client be excused?
Yes.
All right. I need to go. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. See you at 1.
Okay.
Judge Longoria,
Yo,
I apologize. I had notated 2 people, both were FTAs. I didn't recognize one cause number though. 627-264, is that correct?
364.
Oh, 364.
it listed Monica Guerrero, and I was told you were the one to be here for her.
I know that we don't have contact with Eliza Hernandez. Absolutely no contact. We've tried.
How about Dario Rodriguez?
Give me a few minutes out if I can approach.
That's the 627-364.
364. Let me check on that real quick.
Judge Paula Acevedo is back.
Judge, I'm back.
We'll be right with you.
Okay, Judge.
Linda, on
Yes,
page 4, Mr. Elwell, is he still here?
yes, oh no, that's, I left a voice message for Mr. Engelkey and I haven't heard back from him.
Mr. Elwell, are you available in 2 weeks?
Yes, sir.
Let's get you back in 2 weeks. I'm not gonna have you just sit here while we can't find your attorney.
Okay.
Linda, bring him back in 2 weeks.
Okay, September the 19th, sir.
How about Valerie Hedlund? We heard from her.
No, sir, she had to go to other courts.
Okay.
And on Mr. Brandon Sloan, I've tried calling Jerry and left him a voicemail message too. I think he forgot that he had another client on the docket today.
Did Jerry Valdez report on Sloan?
No, but he reported on somebody else and I don't remember who it was because he was in the courtroom.
Well, Mr. Sloan was here.
Yeah, he actually, it was on Juan Carlos Puente Barbosa. I can reset it for the same, for the 19th, because that's when he's set for anyway on
Is he available on that date? I don't like
Oh, I know, Mr.
recalling him with the attorney doesn't show and then really put the onus on the defendant.
Mr. Sloan,
Yes, ma'am.
are you able to appear on September the 19th?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we'll reset you September 19th. Mr. Valdez does have another client scheduled on that day.
I understand.
Okay,
You're welcome to stick around a little bit, but that's up to you.
I actually had opportunity to get him to respond to my text. He did respond saying that he had other clients who had felony cases. So, go ahead and give him the time to do what needs to be done.
All right, sir.
Appreciate it, Judge.
Mhm.
Hey, Judge, this is Steve Elwell. Am I excused?
Sorry?
This is Steve Elwell. Can I be excused? We reset for the 19th.
Yeah.
Okay,
Linda?
thank you.
yes,
You got a date?
yes, I told him September 19th.
Right. I got it.
All right, you take care.
Thank you.
Judge and Linda, I checked with Monica Guerrero, Dario Rodriguez. She's had no contact, and she says I think he's been a fugitive for a while. 627-364.
Judge,
I'm sorry.
Dario Rodriguez, Miss Guerrero has not had any contact with him.
Well, it's a pleasure to appear.
All right.
We'll
I understand.
keep
Thank you,
trying to find
Judge.
him.
Yes, Judge.
Paul, what are we doing with yours?
It's my understanding, dismissal should be coming.
It'll be a dismissal. Okay.
May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Take care.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, you too. Bye-bye.
Judge Michael White hasn't come back yet, and I've tried calling him and left him a message as well. I know he had other courts. I know he checked in with Will